the session. We are going to ask you questions about your educational background or your professional experience. Now, when I'm asking you these questions, if you guys are responding through the poll, I will be able to have a better understanding about the about all of your all of your educational backgrounds, all of your professional profiles. Okay, the better I know about that, the better learning experience you will be able to have. Okay, so that's why it's very, very important that all of you guys are participating in the poll. As per what I can see right now, that almost 79% people have already voted. People who have not yet voted, quickly give your vote in the poll right now, guys. There is nothing to be worried about. No one is going to judge you over here. If you feel like you have never done coding before, select the first option. If you feel like you're a beginner level programmer, select the second option. If you feel like you're an intermediate level programmer or an advanced level programmer, please select the respective options. There are no one who is going to judge you over here. Okay, there will not be any problem according to whatever options you will be selecting. It's just that we will have a better understanding about your profile. One more thing is that if you guys are not participating in the poll, you will not be able to get the participation certificate. So to get the participation certificate, I hope all of you guys will be able to participate in the poll. As of now, what I can see that almost 82% people, 92% people have already voted. 8% people have not yet participated in the poll. Guys, I'm just going to wait for another few seconds. After that, I'm going to close the poll. All right, now that I can see mostly all of you guys have participated, I'm going to close the poll and we will move on to the next thing. So first of all, we are having, let me tell you what kind of learners we are having here. So first of all, we are having 11% learners who have never done coding before. 11% learners who have never done coding before. 71% learners who are beginner level programmer. There are 10% learners who are intermediate level programmer. And there are 7% learners who are advanced level programmer. That is absolutely, absolutely brilliant. Thank you so much to all of you guys for participating in the poll. Now, moving on to the next thing, and let's have a quick discussion about this. That okay? Now, some of you guys have joined a bit late, so let me address this one more time. In today's session, everyone will be muted from our end. Everyone will be muted because there are close to 300 learners present in the session right now. It's not going to be possible for us to unmute each and every one of you guys to clear your doubts. Whenever you have any doubts, whenever you have any questions, kindly just go to the question answer panel and ask your doubts over there. Now, if you guys have understood, I hope all of you guys have understood where exactly you're supposed to ask your questions. Now, let's get started with the most important topic that we will be discussing today, which is what is full stack development. What is full stack development, guys? So let me first give you a brief introduction to what is full stack development. As I can understand, there are lots of learners who have never done programming before, so they will be learning about full stack development for the very first time. So I'm going to start with a very basic level explanation about what is full stack development. Now, what is full stack development is? So full stack development is basically an application based learning where you get to learn how to build a dynamic e-commerce website absolutely from the scratch. A dynamic e-commerce website absolutely from the scratch. What kind of websites you will be creating here? So let's say we are using websites on a regular basis, right? We have used websites like Amazon. Like if you want to order something, so you will be using Amazon. If you want to buy some clothing accessories, you will go to Myntra or maybe Flipkart. Or if you want to buy something, let's say if you want to order some food for yourself, you go to Zomato or Swiggy. If you want to watch some web series or some movies, you go to Netflix or Disney Plus Hotstar or Amazon Prime or whatever it is. So all these kind of websites we are using on a regular basis, correct? Now these websites, there are some people who must be creating websites like this, right? There are a group of people who is building this kind of website, who is maintaining websites like this. So basically, if you can create any of the parts of a website, each and every website will be having different parts, will be having different layers to it, right? Now, if you can create any one of these parts of a website, you are basically a web developer. But the question is, how do I become a full stack developer? To become a full stack developer, you need to be able to create all the different parts, all the different layers of a website. Now, the question which will come in our mind is that what are these different parts that we will have to create to become a full stack developer? Let me explain that. So what are the different parts that you will have to create? So first of all, you will have to create front end development, then comes the back end development, and here comes the database management. So these are the three different parts in a particular website that you will have to create to become a full stack developer. Okay. So Pradeep, we are going to discuss about all those things. You need to be a little bit more patient. Okay, we will come to that topic. Okay. Now, as we are discussing that, how does the front end, like now we have understood that there are three different parts in a website, which is front end development, back end development, and database management. Now the question is that how does the front end works, how does the back end works, and how does the database works? To understand this website, this particular functionality in a better way, we are going to open a website. Can anyone suggest me any website? Can anyone give me a suggestion that what kind of website you want me to explain over here? Can anyone give me a suggestion over here? What kind of website do you guys want me to explain here? Any websites you guys can suggest me. Someone is saying Amazon, someone is saying Mintra, Flipkart, Mintra. Okay, then this is e-commerce website, Zomato, Agio, okay, Tesla, okay, Microsoft, Edureka. All right, a lots of Mintras are coming. I don't know why people are very fond of Mintra. So let's try for Mintra. Let's go for Mintra today. Okay. So we are going to open a website of Mintra.com. Mintra is a very popular website here in India. Okay, and as you can see that we have opened the Mintra website and we are able to see a lots of things going on over here. First of all, as you guys can see that like first of all we are going to discuss about how does the front end works over here. Okay, now the front end is basically whatever we can see, whatever we can click on or interact with is basically the front end. Now you will be able to see there are multiple categories and subcategories over here: men, women, kids, home and living, beauty, studio. All these categories are having so many subcategories as well. All these are a part of the front end. You can see this search bar where you can search for anything you want. You will be able to see this profile page where you can log in or sign up, the wish list page, the back page, all these things, each and every single thing that you guys are able to see here, all these categories and subcategories that we are able to see here is basically a part of the front end. Now, front end is very simple. Front end we have all understood, I hope. Front end is basically the client side of the website. As a client, as a customer of the website, whatever you can see, whatever you can interact with, whatever you can click on is basically the front end. Now, going towards the next topic, which is the database. Okay, to understand the database, I will go to the kids section. From kids section, I will open the subsection t-shirts. Okay, now as I have opened the subsection t-shirts, here I am able to see such amazing looking t-shirts over here. There are so many amazing looking t-shirts over here, as you can see. Now, guys, tell me in the question answer panel if you guys agree with me or not, that each and every t-shirt, each and every product that we are able to see here must be carrying some certain amount of data with it. Do we all agree to that or not? Each and every product that we can see here must be carrying some certain amount of data with it. Do we all agree to that? Do we all agree to that? Mayur Kadam is saying yes. Then this is Abhishek Sharma is saying yes. Then this is Sinu is full set. We are going to talk about that. Sheikh Shabir is saying yes. Adarsh is saying yes. Monish is saying yes. Aksh Patel. Then this is Basvaraj. Then this is Aditya Jain. Bhavesh. Then Josepher D'Souza. Then this is Shrishti. Then Sheikh Zaid. Everyone is saying yes. Database in what sense? Database is basic. I'm coming to that. So as we have all understood that all this product must be carrying some certain amount of data with it. All these data must be stored somewhere, correct? These data that we are talking about must be stored in a particular place. The data cannot just fly around in the website. So where is it going to be stored? Where is it going to be stored? Can anyone tell me in the question answer panel? Can anyone tell me in the question answer panel where is the database going to be stored? Like where is the data going to be stored? Can anyone tell me? Ritesh has given the correct answer. Database is absolutely correct answer. Aksh has also given the same answer. Bhavesh, then Om Rathod, then this is Vaibhavi. Everyone is saying the same thing. Database is absolutely the correct answer. Okay. Now the point is that we have all understood that database is basically the storage unit. Database is also the most secure unit of the website. because the database is not just carrying some product data, it is also going to store the data about customers. Mintra's customers, like let's say that I am a customer of Mintra, I will have to give my login credentials, my email ID and password. Mintra is going to store that data. If I want to buy this t-shirt, I will have to make the payment. Mintra is going to store my debit card details or my credit card details or my bank ID, UPI ID. All these things Mintra is going to be stored. Or let's say if I am ordering this particular t-shirt, I will need to give my address informations, my contact informations. Mintra is going to store that data as well. So all these data that will be stored in the database must be stored in the most secure way possible. That is what is the functionality of the database. Okay. Now I hope we have all understood the front end. We have understood the database. Now let's have a quick discussion about the backend. Okay, backend. What is the backend? First of all, I'm going to give an example over here. Let's take an example of one of our learners. Let's say that we are having a learner, Rituja. Rituja is a learner who is attending the session right now. Rituja is a learner who is attending the session right now. Rituja, I hope you do not mind me using your name just to take an as an example. Okay. So Rituja is trying to buy a pair of sports shoes. Rituja wants to buy a pair of sports shoes. Now, what will Rituja do? Rituja will go to the Myntra website and start searching for sports shoes. The moment Rituja is searching for sports shoes, that is basically an input to the front end. That is basically an input to the front end. What is the input? The input is sports shoes. Okay. Everyone has understood till here. The Rituja is willing to buy a pair of sports shoes. So Rituja has searched for sports shoes in the front end of Myntra. Okay. Now the point is that can anyone tell me in the question answer panel where is the data about the sports shoes going to be stored? Where is the data about the sports shoes going to be stored? Can anyone tell me in the question answer panel? Bhavesh, correct answer. Absolutely correct answer. Josper, absolutely correct answer. Vaibhavi, Rohit, everyone who is saying database has given the correct answer. So the point is that the data about the sports shoes is going to be stored in the database. Everyone pay attention to this very, very important topic to understand. Front end cannot directly talk to database. This is a huge problem. Front end cannot directly talk to database. They are not very good friends with each other. So what will front end do? Front end will give that command to backend. That backend, you go to the database and start searching for all the sports shoes available. Now the backend is going to come to database. Backend is going to start searching for all the sports shoes available in the database. Let's say, let's say that backend has found out that there are 10 sports shoes available. Let's say that backend has found out that there are 10 sports shoes available. So what will backend do? Backend will give that data back to frontend. That frontend in your database, I have found out that there are 10 sports shoes available. Now you can show that output to your customer Rituja, who is looking for sports shoes to buy. Okay, so this is how the entire website is working. This is exactly how each and every website in this world works. Okay, now let's explain this one more time in this website. Everyone, let's say that I am the customer of Myntra. I am going to the sports shoes section. So that means this is my input. This is my input to the front end. What is my input? Sports shoes, men's sports shoes. Okay. Now front end has given that command to backend. Backend has gone to the database and started searching for all the sports shoes. Backend has figured out that there are 14,114 sports shoes are available. Now backend is going to give that data back to front end. Front end is now showing us the output that these are the sports shoes which is available in our website. Now you can choose any one of these websites, any one of these sports shoes. This is how the Myntra website is working, and this is how each and every different websites are working. Now, if you guys have understood how does the front end, back end, and database works, quickly type yes in the question answer panel. Just type yes in the question answer panel if we all have understood how does the front end, back end, and database works. So yes, of course, Amruta, we can provide you that. So Divya, you need to interact with us via this question answer panel. Sanjit is saying yes. Aksh Patel is saying yes. Bhavesh is saying yes. Anup is saying yes. Josfer, then this is Rishti, then this is Mayur, Chandni, then Sheikh Zaid, Adarsh, everyone is saying yes. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for this quick response. This is exactly what we expect from you guys. We expect you to interact with us just like this. Now, everyone has understood what is full stack development. The next question that we have in our mind, that why shall we go for full stack development? Why do we have to pursue our career in full stack development itself? Now, the question is not just about full stack development. The general question is that what do we learn? What to learn and what not to learn? This is the general question that everyone is having. Guys, let me first tell you that this is a very normal thing. Even when we were students, we were facing the same thing. But what actually makes things worse is some of our relatives, some of our friends, or maybe some of our seniors as well, will, without any prior knowledge about the industry, without any research, they will just come to us and they will just keep giving us advices like this, that if you do not learn this technology, you will not be able to get a job. If you do not learn that domain, you will not be able to get a placement. Artificial intelligence is going to take up your job. Machine learning, if you're not learning, you will not be able to get a placement. This technology, this domain, that domain, all these kind of advices we are getting on a regular basis. Are we facing this confusion, guys? Tell me in the question answer panel. If you guys are facing this confusion, just type me in the question answer panel. If anyone is there who is facing this conversation, Basavaraj is saying yes. Then this is Sipten Raza is saying yes. Mayur is saying yes. Me Mayur Kadam is saying yes. Then this is Anup Sheikh is saying, Anup SK is saying yes. Sai Kiran is saying yes. Prasanna is saying yes. Everyone is facing these kind of challenges. Sanjay R. Then this is Bhaskar. Then Chandni. Then this is Rabia Khatun. Everyone is saying that they are also facing the similar kind of challenges. Now the question is that this is a problem that we have all understood. This is a global problem. What is the solution? How do we understand that what decision we can take? How do we take the decision that shall we go for this technology or that technology? Guys, my suggestion is that never trust anyone else. This is your career. You need to build a career out of all these situations. No matter what people say, after a few days, after a few months, after a few years, you are the one who will have to take care of your family. So the decision should always be yours. How to take this decision? The thing is that always trust the data, never trust anyone else. Always go for the data. Like just now I have opened my own LinkedIn account. As you can see that this is my own LinkedIn account, and here we are going to start searching for jobs. Okay, first of all, can anyone tell me what do you think is the most trending topic? What do you think is the most trending domain in the industry right now? What is the most trending domain in the industry right now? Tell me. You guys only tell me that what is your idea. Let me see what do you guys think. I can see artificial intelligence. Sheikh Sabir is saying artificial intelligence. Aksh is saying artificial intelligence. Sai Kiran is saying artificial intelligence. Mayur is saying full stack. Then Monish is saying DevOps. Adarsh is saying artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence. All of you, most of you guys are saying artificial intelligence. All right. So let me show you guys the reality today. By the way, this is an absolutely live session. I'm not going to show you any pre-recorded data. This is a live session where I'm going to show you the reality. Today it is 18th of September, Monday in India. Right now it is 12:21 p.m. And here I'm going to start searching for jobs in India. Artificial intelligence in India. How many jobs are there? Can anyone keep a note of this number, guys? Can anyone keep a note of this number in the question answer panel, that there are 11,882 jobs are there? 11,882 jobs are there. How many jobs are there in the artificial intelligence industry right now? Can anyone kindly keep a note of this number? Basavaraj Adarsh has taken a note. Thank you so much, both of you. 11,882 jobs are there in artificial intelligence. Now let me show you the number for full stack. Now the problem is that full stack is an industry where you will have to learn 10 to 12 different technologies. So full stack development consists of 10 to 12 different technologies. I'm not going to search for the entire full stack development. I'm just going to search for one technology, which is JavaScript. Just one technology searching for in India. I'm not even searching for entire full stack development. There are 1,04,809 jobs available in just JavaScript in India right now. Can anyone please keep a note of this number as well? 1,04,809 jobs are there only in India, and that too just in JavaScript. I'm not even searching for entire full stack development. Now, you guys tell me the question answer panel, guys, that do you think full stack development is more demanding, or do you think artificial intelligence is more demanding? Where do you think you will be able to get the most job opportunities? This is your decision. You need to take that decision. I can already see people are saying full stack development. I can see Basavaraj is saying full stack development. Bhavesh is saying full stack development. Patel is saying full stack. Monish, Sipten, Raza, then this is Kirtana. Everyone is saying full stack development is the most important domain for them right now. See, this is the clarity that you guys needed. When you guys were not having this clarity, everyone was confused. When everyone was confused, thinking that whether I should go for this or that. Now, when you have the clarity, you guys can take the decision just like this, that full stack development is the most important domain. Again, someone was saying DevOps. DevOps, how many jobs are there in DevOps? So sorry, guys. Okay. So how many jobs are there in DevOps right now? Let's see how many jobs are there in DevOps in India right now. There are 30,633 jobs are there. And only in JavaScript, there are more than 1 lakh jobs are available right now. Now you tell me, guys, whether you should go for DevOps or you should go for JavaScript. This is the decision. This is the decision that you guys need to take. You guys need to understand that how important these technologies can be. Okay, I hope all of you guys are able to get this clarity that what to learn now. Sanjay R is saying full stack development, Vibhuti is saying full stack development, Nikhil is saying full stack development, Sanglab, Shashank, Divya, everyone is saying full stack development, guys. Let me give you some more clarity on this. As an entry level full stack developer, once again, guys, as an entry level full stack developer, okay, your average CTC will be in between 7 to 17 lakhs per annum. This is your average CTC as an entry level full stack developer. The number of job openings in full stack development is increasing by 30% every year. It's increasing by 30% every year, and around 40 lakhs more job opportunities are going to be created by this year end. See, this is my opinion, guys, that as an entry level IT, like as a fresher, or let's say that even if you're an experienced person. So the thing is that if you're trying to step into the IT industry, full stack development is the best option for you guys. Why? First of all, it is very easy to learn. You can learn full stack development very easily. Okay. Second point is that as an entry level full stack developer, your average CTC will be quite high, almost 7 to 17 lakhs per annum. And the third point is that when you are going to start your enroll, when you are going to start searching for jobs in full stack development, there will be millions of job opportunities in full stack development, guys. This is the reason that why full stack development is the best option for you guys. All right. Now moving on to the next thing, let me tell you one more thing. All right. So the thing is that now we have all understood that why like what is full stack development and why we should learn full stack development. This is very clear to all of us. Now, the next question is that how do we become a full stack developer? What are the project works we need to build to become a full stack developer? What are the technologies we need to learn? What are the certificates we need to get? This is the next question, right? Now, let me show you the project works. What are the project works you need to build to become a full stack developer? First of all, in this particular program where we are going to train you on different technologies. Here, in the very first module of this program, where you are going to start learning with HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, you will be able to create a Netflix homepage. This is your very first project, guys, the Netflix homepage that you are going to create absolutely from the scratch. This is your very first project work in this program. I'm sure all of you guys must have watched Netflix. You guys have seen the homepage of Netflix, where first of all, you will have to log in or sign up. After that, you will be able to see all the movie posters and everything. And if you're clicking on, not even clicking on, if you're putting your cursor on any particular movie or any particular web series, you will be able to watch the trailer of that. Correct? All of you guys have seen these kind of operations in the Netflix homepage, correct? Everyone has seen these kind of operations on Netflix homepage. Sanjay R is saying yes. Nikhil is saying yes. Aksh is saying yes. Chirag is saying yes. So that is the kind of website that you are going to create here in your very first module. In your very first month, you are going to create this particular project. Second project, you are going to learn about JavaScript and the data structures and algorithms of JavaScript. Here, you are going to create a weather forecasting application. A weather forecasting application, guys, all of you guys must be having a smartphone, correct? Each and everyone will be having a smartphone. Check your smartphone right now. In your smartphone, you will be able to see a weather forecasting application. Okay, in this weather forecasting application, you will be able to check the weather, the weather forecasting updates in the upcoming 1 month or whatever it is. So you will be able to see all these things for any particular location. You will be able to change the location and you will be able to check. So all these features you will be having in this particular project, and also you will be deploying this project in the internet. In the third module of this program, you will be learning about Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. And while you're learning these technologies, you will be able to create a video streaming platform. Can anyone give me an example of a video streaming platform, by the way? Can anyone give me an example of a video streaming platform? Of course, it is in demand. Now my question. So Prasanna, are you going to search for jobs after 10 years? Like, are you are you going to start searching for jobs after 10 years? See, I'm not an astrologer, Prasanna. I'm merely a person who have some experience about the IT industry, Prasanna. Okay, so I can tell you what you should learn right now. After 10 years, if some other technologies are going to come, you will have to learn those technologies. There cannot be one absolute technology which you can learn once and for the rest of your life you will be able to spend with using that particular technology itself. That is not how the IT industry works. 10 years ago, when some other technology was there, developers learned that technology. Now some other technologies are there, developers are learning that particular technology. But the technologies are going to keep updating themselves, and you will also have to do the same, Prasanna. Okay, so everyone is saying you okay. As I asked that what is the example of a video streaming platform, I can see everyone is saying YouTube. That is a very good answer to all of you guys. Okay, YouTube is a very good answer. That YouTube is basically a video streaming platform. Now think about the features of YouTube. Let's say that you are taking you have shot a video. Let's say that you have shot a video, so you can upload that video in YouTube, correct? You can take a particular video and share it with someone else. And most importantly, if someone else is sharing a video with you, you will be able to if you will be able to click on the link to play those videos. All these options, all these features you will be having in the YouTube website, correct? Now you are going to add all these features in your video streaming platform as well, and you are going to deploy this particular website in the internet. You are going to deploy this particular website, this particular video streaming platform in the internet. This is your third project work. Okay, now let's move on to the final fourth project. In the fourth project, in the fourth module where you are going to learn about React.js. Here you will be able to create a COVID tracker website. COVID tracker website. Now you tell me, guys, can do you guys remember about Arogya Setu app? How many of you guys remember about Arogya Setu app? Arogya Setu app, can anyone, do you guys remember about? Praneshwaram is saying me, Mayur is saying me, Bhavesh is saying I know. So the Arogya Setu app was basically a COVID tracker website. A COVID tracker website is basically where you can see the daily updates, how many COVID cases are increasing or decreasing. So this is a kind of an application that Indian government created in the year 2020 when COVID-19 was at its peak. Correct? So we are going to create a similar kind of a website over here. Now tell me in the question answer panel, how many of you guys are excited to build projects for project works like this? Okay, so tell me in the question answer panel, how many of you guys have built project works like, how many of you guys are excited to build this kind of project works? I can see everyone is saying me, Aksh is saying me, Vavesh is saying me, then Anushka, then this is Mayur Kadam, Praneshwaram, then this is Bhavesh, then this is Sai Kiran, Sarumati, then this is Srishti, Aditya, Chetna. Everyone is saying they are very, very excited to build project works like this. Now, I have a surprise for all of you guys. My surprise is that these project works that I've just now shown you, these are just going to be your mini projects. So, what are the major projects then? What are the major projects? This is your first major project. There's a Zomato clone application. Basically, a Zomato website, like a food delivery website, that you are going to create absolutely from the scratch. You are going to create a food delivery website which will look exactly like Zomato. You are going to create this particular website absolutely from the scratch, along with the from the login sign up page till the payment portal and the deployment of the website, along with the front end, back end database. Everything you are going to create absolutely from the scratch. This is your first major project. The second projects. Let me show you the entire list of the project works. Total 7 project works in this program. First of all, Zomato clone website, your own choice website, coding portfolio website, Netflix homepage, weather app, video streaming platform, and COVID tracker applications. All these project works you guys are going to create here in this particular program. Now, you guys tell me if you guys want me to show you a few of the project works that our past learners have created. How many of you guys want me to show you a few of the project works that our past learners have created? How many of you guys want me to show you a few of the project works that our past learners have created? Quickly let us know in the question answer panel. Quickly let us know in the question answer panel how many of you guys are willing to have a look at the project works that our past learners have created. What I can see right now, everyone is saying I want to see. So Rabia Khatun is saying I want to see. Sanjay is saying me. Okay, Rohit is saying me. Please show. Others is saying. But I have a request to all of you guys. I have a request to all of you guys. When I'm going to show you this project works, okay, when I'm going to show you this project works, I want you guys to give me some feedbacks. When I'm going to show you these projects, I want you guys to give me some feedbacks. Whenever, like when I'm going to show you this project, whatever feedbacks you're having, whatever feedbacks, any genuine feedbacks, if you're having, kindly share that with me. Okay, I can see everyone is saying yes sir, sure sir, we will give you the feedbacks. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you so much. Now I'm going to show you the project works that our past learners have created. By the way, is there any learners in the session right now who is in the first year of his or her graduation? First year of graduation, how many students are there? Just type first year in the question answer panel. Type first year in the question answer panel if you're in the first year of your graduation. Anyone is there who is in the first year of graduation? Adarsh is saying I am sir. Monish is saying I am. Praneshwaram is saying me. Joshua is saying first year. Okay. Second year. First year of masters. Okay. First year. BCA first year. Adarsh is saying okay. So there are a couple of learners out there who are in the first year of graduation. Why I asked this because I'm going to show you a project work created by my student Kirti Desai. Kirti Desai has created this. Priya Desai has created this particular project, which is a first year student. She was a first year student when she created this particular IMDb website. Now, guys, I want you guys to see the professionalism in this particular website, like how beautifully this is created. Just have a look at the professionalism behind this particular project. Okay, how beautifully each and every movie posters are absolutely imported from the scratch. Just have a look at this. You can actually rate the movies, you can add them to your watch list, you can watch the trailer, every single thing you will be able to do over here. This is the kind of project works that our learners are creating, and a first year student has created this project, guys. And let me know what are your feedbacks about it. Everyone is saying amazing looking project work, sir. This looks like a professional website. Everyone is saying amazing looking project work, amazing project, great job, Priya. Okay, thank you so much. So everyone is saying amazing. Everyone is saying brilliant looking project work, great, nice. Okay, this is the kind of feedbacks that I'm getting. Good job there. Wonderful project work. Beautiful website. Very nice. Good job. Someone is saying excellent work. Okay, this is the kind of project work our learners have created, and that too in a very first year of graduation. This is the kind of project work. I'm going to show you another project. This is a Starbucks website. This is a Starbucks website created by my student Falguni Saini. Falguni Saini has created this particular website, which is a Starbucks website. Okay, just have a look at this project, guys. Just have a look at this project and let me know what you guys think about this project. Then I will give you some information about Falguni Saini. I'll tell you something about Falguni Saini. Guys, kindly give me an okay. Rabia Khatun is saying fabulous. I'm in second year BSc Computer Science. Okay, it's beyond awesome. Siptain Raza is saying. Then Sayyid Adnan is saying nice, good job. Rohit is saying good job. Praneshwaran is saying amazing. Mayur Kadam is saying wow. This is the nice. Om Rathore is saying it is a professional looking website, sir. Fabulous. This is amazing response I'm getting from everyone, I must say. So this is the kind of response I'm getting from all of you guys. Now the point that I was trying to make, Falguni Saini, who has created this project, this is the hard work that she has put, right? This is her hard work, but what is the response? What is the result of this hard work? The result is that Falguni Saini has got a placement just a few months back. She has started working at Paytm. She is working at Paytm currently and she is earning a CTC of 16 lakhs per annum. As a front-end developer, she is working at Paytm. Now, you guys tell me whether you want to think that, sir, I cannot create a project work like this. How will I get a placement like that? Or do you want to take the charge of your own career and build project works like this and then get placements like that? You guys decide that. You guys tell me. So everyone is saying, I am ready to get trained by you, sir. She was very fortunate to have you as an instructor. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vibhuti. All right, looks professional. Everyone is giving very positive feedback. I have completed full stack web development course in Acme, and I've completed a lot of, but my resume is not fit. Pradeep, we are going to help you with that. Do not be worried. We are going to help you with all those things. Do not be worried about that. Amal Josen, I'm going to explain about the placement assistance. Kindly stay tuned to the session. Now, is there anyone in this session right now who is thinking that, sir, I'm from non-technical background, so I cannot create a project work like this? Is there anyone in this session right now who is thinking like that? That, sir, I'm from non-technical background, or whatever background you're from, I cannot create a project work like this, sir. I am not confident about creating a project work like this. Is there anyone who is thinking like that? Is there anyone who is thinking like that? Any students? Pranishwar is saying no. Class is nine, but I can't interact with host. Jafar Khan, you can interact with me. You just have to ask your questions over here. So Monish is saying I am okay. Vaibhavi is saying yes, I am from arts background. Yes, of course, Rahul, you can join this program. You will be able to join this program. Of course, you will be able to do that. No, nothing to be worried about. Now, as I was saying, that some of you guys are thinking that some of you guys are a little bit, feeling a little bit underconfident. So just for you guys, I'm going to show you another. See, by the way, I'm having an entire list of project works created by my students in the last 2 months. Okay, but I'm not going to show you all these things. I'm just going to show you another one project work created by my student Kirti Desai. Kirti Desai has created this Nika website, guys. Okay, can anyone tell me, like, what do you guys think about this particular project? Anyone? What do you guys think about this project? Can anyone tell me in the question answer panel? What do you guys think about this particular project? I'm going to show you this project a little bit. This is a Nika website created by my student Kirti Desai. I can see everyone is saying amazing, superb, it's amazing, sir. Aesthetic, it's awesome. Someone is saying this is the best project till now. All right, everyone, great to see such a website. Super amazing, super, sir, nice. Okay, this is the kind of feedbacks I'm getting. Now, by the way, why did I show you Kirti Desai's project? Because Kirti Desai was from BCom background. Kirti Desai was a BCom background student, guys, and she is currently working at Dream 11. She is currently working at Dream 11 with a CTC of 13 lakhs per annum. With a CTC of 13 lakhs per annum, this is the kind of placement this person has got. Okay, now you guys, if you guys think that no, sir, I cannot create a project work like this. I'm from arts background. I'm from this background, that background. Guys, you will never be able to achieve anything if you're not able to step out of your comfort zone. To achieve any kind of success, you need to step out of your comfort zone. And here also, you will have to do the same. When you want to become a full stack developer, it is not at all impossible. You just need to step out of your comfort zone and start taking the charge of your own career. If you're ready for that, let me know in the question answer panel. If you're ready to take the charge of your own career, if you're ready to understand that no matter what happens, I am going to achieve what I want, then you guys need to let me know that you guys are ready. Anup SK is saying ready. Praneshwaram is saying ready. Adarsh is saying ready, sir. Then this is Rohit is saying yes, sir, ready. Sanjay is saying I'm ready. Everyone is saying they are absolutely ready for all the challenges that they might face. Now, let me tell you the roadmap. Okay, all of you guys have understood what kind of project works you need to build. Now, the next topic is that what kind of technologies you need to learn. This is also a part of the roadmap, guys. Everyone, please keep a note of all these things. First of all, you need to start with learning HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. This is the very basic level technologies in full stack development. You must learn these kind of technologies. Next is JavaScript, guys. And if anyone is thinking, sir, can I become a Java developer? Can I become a Python developer? Please, guys, do not think about that. Always go for JavaScript. The kind of job opportunities you will be getting in JavaScript, you're not even able to imagine right now. With very basic level training, you will be able to go above 12 to 15 lakhs per annum CTC as a JavaScript developer. Then comes the MERN stack. What is MERN stack? MERN stack is basically A group of four technologies: MongoDB, Express, React, Node. M for MongoDB, E for Express, R for React, and N for Node.js. So altogether, these are called as MERN stack. Okay. After that, you will have to learn how to build the APIs of your website, how to build the payment gateways, and how to deploy your website. All these things we are going to teach you absolutely from the scratch in the program. Okay. Now moving on to the next thing, some of you guys are having some doubts about the question. Guys, please excuse me for 1 second. I'm just going to drink some water. All right, as we were discussing about the certificates, guys, some of you guys are having this mentality that certificate is just a piece of paper. If you're not having if you're having a proper skills, you do not need certificates. Guys, that is a very, no, certificates are not important. Sipten is saying, guys, the point is, this is a very wrong thinking. Okay, let me give you an example. Certificates are just like driving license. Okay, let's say Raza, I'm calling Sipten, Raza, I'm calling you Raza. I hope you do not mind. So let's say, Raza, that you are very highly skilled in driving, very highly skilled. Okay, you are having all the knowledge on how to drive a car, but do you think without a driving license you are eligible to drive a car? The answer is no. Even if you are driving the car, if the police officer is going to stop you, you will be in big trouble. Right? The same goes for certificate as well. Some of you guys think that certificates are not important. Without the certificate, you will not be able to go for the best placements, no matter how much skills you are having. Now, some of you guys will say, "Sir, my friend here has got placement. My brother, my sister, they have got a placement without a certificate. They've just learned from here and there." The point is that even if they have received a placement, let's say that they have got a placement of 5 LPA, 5 lakhs per annum. If they were having certificates, they would have reached 15 to 20 LPA. Okay, so that is the difference. They are not able to get the best placements. They are able to get a placement which is an ordinary placement. And why are you guys going to settle down with ordinary placements? Always go for the best possible, right? We should never go for the ordinary. Okay, what kind of certificates we are going to provide you? First of all, course completion certificate. This is going to be awarded to everyone who is going to join this program. Irrespective of your performance, you will receive this certificate. Second certificate is the internship certificate. This certificate is going to carry 4 months of experience, 4 months of industrial experience as a full stack developer intern at Edureka. To achieve this certificate, you need to complete at least 3 out of the 7 project works included in this program. At least 3 out of the 7. Okay, at least 3 out of the 7 project works you will have to complete. The next one, what is the next one? The next one is the super intern certificate. Now, super intern certificate is given to anyone who is able to complete. Super intern certificate is given to anyone who is able to complete all the 7 project works in the program. All the 7 project works, if you can complete, you will be able to get the super intern certificate. Now, what is the difference? What is the difference in between internship certificate and super intern certificate? In internship certificate, you will be able to get 100% placement assistance. And in super intern certificate, of course, you will get 100% placement assistance, but also you will be able to get the opportunity in companies, in the biggest companies in the world right now. You will be able to you will be able to get the opportunities in companies like Amazon, Microsoft, LinkedIn, Netflix, Flipkart, Ola, Paytm, Dream11, HSBC Bank, Citibank, Zomato, IBM, and many, many more companies like this where our students are working right now. So you will be able to get placements in companies like this. All right. Now, I'm going to show you 4 more certificates. These are also included for the first module where you are going to learn about HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. This is the certificate you will be getting. The second module where you are going to learn about JavaScript, this is the certificate you will be able to get. In the third module where you are going to learn about Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB, this is the certificate you will be getting. And the fourth module where you are going to learn about React.js, this is the certificate that you will be able to get. All right. So these are the total 5 certificates included in the program. All 4 of these certificates and any one of the previous certificates that we have shown you. Any one of the previous certificates that we have shown you. Okay, and all of these 4 certificates. These are the 5 certificates which are included in the program. Okay, now let me explain that why these technologies are so important. Some of you guys are still having this question: what is MERN stack? MERN stack is basically M stands for MongoDB, E stands for Express, R stands for React, and N stands for Node. Altogether, these are called as MERN stack. Now the question is that why is MongoDB so important? Why is Express so important? Why is React so important? Why is Node so important to learn? The answer is all of these technologies are powered by JavaScript. All of these technologies are powered by JavaScript. Now the question comes that why can't I become a Java developer, sir? Why can't I become a Python developer? The problem is that if you are learning Java, you will be mostly restricted in backend. If you're learning Python, you will be mostly restricted in front end. But JavaScript is the only technology which you can use for backend, which you can use for front end, which you can use for database. As you can see here, MongoDB is a database technology, Express and Node is basically backend technologies, and React is a front end technology. Okay, together all these five technologies, if you can learn Stack, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node, and also JavaScript, if you can learn these five technologies, you are eligible to go for placements in 70% of the companies who are hiring for full stack developers right now. If there are 100 companies who are hiring full stack developers, you are eligible for 70% out of that. That's how important these technologies are. I hope all of you guys have understood why you should learn technologies like this. If you guys have understood why you should learn this kind of technologies, quickly type yes in the question answer panel. Quickly type yes in the question answer panel if you guys have understood why exactly you're supposed to learn these kind of technologies. Now everyone is saying yes. Sanjeet is saying yes. Alicia, Bhavesh, then this is Srishti, Aksh Patel, Rohit, Anuttama is saying yes. Then Chirag is saying yes. Murli is saying yes. Everyone is saying yes. Amazing response, guys. Thank you so much. Moving on to the next thing. Let me give you some more information about this program. Okay, by the way, my team is going to share the class structure in the chat section. Okay, my team has already shared the class structure in the chat section. Now, one more thing is there. Some of you guys are having this question, sir, how come only Edureka students are so successful? How come only Edureka students are able to get placements like this? Because Edureka provides you 100% live classes, guys. Edureka does not provide you any kind of pre-recorded videos, 100% live classes, and separate doubt clearance sessions. Separate doubt clearance sessions for each and every student. In a weekday, there will be like separate doubt clearance sessions. You can check the class structure in the chat section. My team has already shared that. Also, each and every student will be having a PLM. What is a PLM? A personal learning manager, basically your personal mentor, whom you can reach out to anytime you want for any kinds of doubts, any kind of questions you are having. Okay, that is the kind of reason, that is the reason that why Edureka's learners are never failing. They are always getting the best learning experience, they're building the best project works, and most importantly, they are getting the best placements just like that. All right, so that is the most important thing. Now, some more reasons are there. Also, this is another reason that why Edureka's learners are so successful. The instructors and mentors we are having. Let me introduce you to them. So first of all, we are having Mr. Akash Andasar and Mr. Raghu Anand sir. Mr. Akash Andasar has almost 14 years of experience. He has worked with companies like NatWest, IBM, HCL, Google. Mr. Raghu Anand sir has worked with companies like Amazon, Netflix, and LinkedIn. Think about how many developers they have trained already. They have trained thousands of developers for their organization. Now they are going to train you guys and make you guys an industry level full stack developer. Okay, that is why industry ready full stack developer. That is why these are the best people to train you guys. Also, we are having Mr. Abhishek Saini sir and Mr. Shubham Arora sir. How many of you guys have used products like PayPal, Netflix, Disney Plus, Hotstar, Zomato, Uber? How many of you guys have used these kind of products? Sanjit is saying me, okay. Vavesh is saying me. Aksh is saying me. Archana is saying me. Chirag is saying me. Almost all of you guys have used. Almost all of you guys have used. Now the point is, these people are having the first-hand experience of building that kind of products. They are the ones who can build products like this. Now that's why they are the best people to train you guys and make sure that you guys are also becoming industry ready full stack developers just like them. Now, I'm going to show you a few of the reviews that our past learners have given for the class structures that they have faced from here, the kind of placement assistance they have got from here, the kind of instructors they have received from us. First of all, Someone has asked this question on Quora.com that can I become a web developer if I enroll in the Edureka's full stack development program? Our student Shweta Gayatri is saying that yes, you can. uh, the best thing in this program is the live classes where you can ask doubts within the sessions and they will be cleared. The faculty is always active and responsive. You will also get the access to the personal LMS portal with all the resources related to the projects and class recordings. This is the kind of learning experience our students are getting. One more review I'm going to show you. By the way, I'm having a lots of reviews to show you here, but I'm not going to have too much of time for that. So I'm going to show you one more review from Piyush Kumar. What is Piyush Kumar saying? That hi, my name is Piyush Kumar. I've done BTech in Electronics and Communication in 2013 from Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Everyone, pay your attention towards this. This is very important for you guys to understand. What is he saying? Before enrolling with Edureka, I had working experience of 5+ years in the audio video industry, which was a completely different profile from web development. He was working for 5 years, for more than 5 years in the audio video industry. One day, one day I just joined the webinar from Edureka and then I decided to get enrolled in the 4 months of internship program in full stack web development at Edureka. Just like how you guys are attending this session, even this person has attended and this person has immediately taken the decision to join this program. What is he saying? That our instructor, Mr. Akash Sir, taught everything in a way that it makes easy for me to adapt to these new technologies as he teaches everything from the basics. Also in the placement thing, they help me at every point. While pursuing my internship, I got selected in Capgemini company that I never expected that in my first time only I will get selected in one of the best IT companies. Okay, just like how you guys are thinking that you guys are also willing to get a placement, right? This person has received the placement before even completing the program. What is he saying? He's saying that Edureka helped me to learn from zero level to advanced level. I'm very thankful to the whole team, especially Akash and sir, for boosting me and making me crack an interview and get placed in one of the best companies before even completing my internship, guys. Just try to understand that that this person has got a mentor. Not only he has taught him every single thing from the scratch, he has also prepared him for the interviews. He has also referred him in the company and made sure that he is able to crack the interview and get the placement in the industry. So that's how we ensure that each and every student is getting 100% placement assistance, guys. Now you guys tell me in the question answer panel whether you guys want Mr. Akash Sir to be your instructor or not. Let me know in the question answer panel if you guys are excited to have instructors like this or not. I can see everyone is saying yes, sir. I can see everyone is saying yes, sir. We want Akash sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes. See, the thing is that this is the kind of instructors that we will be having in our program. Just like Mr. Akash sir, we will be having multiple instructors and we will ensure all of you guys will be able to get the best learning experience and the best placement assistance. Now the question is that, sir, am I eligible to join the program? Who should join the program? Very important thing to understand. If you are willing to get a job as a full stack developer, you join this program and I will ensure that you are getting 100% placement assistance. Second point, if you want to get a if you want to go for freelancing, if you want to become a freelancer, our program will ensure that we will create your profile in the topmost freelancing platforms in India. And Edureka is having millions of followers in these kind of freelancing platforms. So we will be promoting you in these kind of platforms so that you can get clients very, very soon. All right. Also, if you want to become a startup, if you want to become an entrepreneur, you want to build your own startup company, guys, this program is going to give you the clarity. This program is going to give you the confidence that you can create your own websites whenever you want. Also, if you want to go for a job as a front end developer or a back end developer, guys, some of you guys are having these kind of preferences. That's why I want to get a placement in as a front end developer or a back end developer. Or maybe, sir, I want to get a placement particularly in one location, which is in Mumbai or Delhi or Gurgaon or maybe Pune or Hyderabad or Chennai or Bangalore or wherever it is. So you guys are having this kind of thinking. We will be taking this kind of preferences into consideration and we will give you the placement accordingly. And also the students, this first year, second year, third year students who are thinking, sir, I can learn all these things in my final year now. Why do I have to learn it right now? To Like, just for you guys, I'm telling this, guys, do not lose opportunities like this. Guys, think in this way. In your classroom, in the class, in your college class, there are at least 50 to 60 students will be there. How are you, and everyone or every one of them will be thinking in the same way that, sir, I will learn all these things in my final year. Then how will you make yourself different than them? How will you make it easy for the interviewer to choose you and not anyone else? So for that, you need to start early. You need to start as early as possible. So that's how you are going to gain more experience and you will be the best candidate in full stack development. Now the point is that the students who have already started, students who are already who have started learning from us in the first year, second year, third year, they're currently working as interns in companies like Amazon, Microsoft, LinkedIn, Netflix, Flipkart, and many many more companies like this. They're working as an intern over there, earning 45 to 55,000 as a stipend every single month. Now you tell me whether you want to restrict yourself thinking that, no sir, I will learn it in my final year, or do you want to start achieving this right now? That is a question that you should ask yourself. And if you want to build the best project works, you have already seen the project works our learners have created. Moving on to the next thing, here is the most important question of today's session, that why is people are struggling so much to get a job? If there are so many job opportunities in this industry right now, then why are people struggling so much to get a job? Can anyone tell me in the question answer panel? Who can answer this question? Skills, lack of skills, no skills, lack of skills, lack of skills, lack of communication skill. Ritesh is saying recession. Ritesh, recession is over, yaar. हो गया है 3-4 महीने पहले ही recession was over. So let's not take that as an excuse. Okay, there is lack of efficient workers. Okay, lack of skills. Okay, most of you guys are correct. Okay, I just have one more point which I believe is the most important point for freshers and the college students, that they are way too dependent on their college. We already have this kind of a mindset that the placement that I can get from my college is the only placement that I can get. Guys, first of all, okay, now here is Ritesh's next question. That, sir, why is it bad to be dependent on my college? This is a very important question. Thank you so much, Ritesh, for asking this question. I will show you the reality. I'll show you the reality right now in the session. Guys, everyone, please answer me honestly in the question answer panel, okay? How many of you guys have learned Monstack from your college? If you have learned it, type yes. If you have not learned it, type no. How many of you guys have learned Mernstack from your college? I can see Soumya is saying no. I can see Chetna is saying no. Archana is saying no. I can see this Baswaraj is saying no. Gagana is saying no. Then this is Joshua, Rohit, Sai Kiran, Anup, Anushka, Bhavesh. Then this is Vayesh. Then this is Vidya. Everyone is saying no. Okay. Second question. I'm going to show you something first of all. Once again, do you know what is this? This is a coding portfolio. Coding portfolio is basically your resume in a website format. This is our instructor, Mr. Akash Unders's coding portfolio. A little bit of introduction about himself. His skills are listed here. His YouTube channels are here. His work experience at NatWest, IBM, HCL, Google, all these things are updated here. His educational background and his contact informations, all these things are updated absolutely from the scratch. Now, how many of you guys are having a coding portfolio like this? How many of you guys are having a coding portfolio like this? If you're having it, type yes. If you're not having it, type no. I can see Sanjay R is saying no, Rohit is saying no, Vibhuti is saying no, Nikhil is saying no. Then this is Praneshwaram, then Vavesh, then this is Soumya, then this is Sai Kiran, then Archana, Gagana, Anuttama, then this is Mayur Kadam. Everyone is saying no. Okay. Third question: how many of you guys have built a dynamic e-commerce website absolutely from the scratch, from the login sign up page till the payment portal and the deployment of the website? How many of you guys have created it along with the front end, back end database, everything from the scratch? How many of you guys have created it? Type yes if you have done it. Type no if you have not done it. Again, I can see everyone. Vavesh, then this is Anup, then this is Gagana, then this is Rohit, Chetna, Anushka, Sanjay, Mayur Kadam. Everyone is saying no. This is the reality, guys. This is the reality. Now, you tell me, is your college helping you with placements as a full stack developer? No, they are not helping you with the full stack development placement at all. Guys, this is not their job. They are just trying to give you any random placements that they can get. Are the question is your the question is to you that whether you are going to be satisfied with that or not. Now, okay, now Ritesh and Sridhar has also asked another question. But sir, my college is giving me a placement. But Ritesh, my question is that what is the kind of placement you're getting? Can anyone tell me the average CTC that you guys are getting from your college? The average CTC your college is able to provide you. Let me know. Ritesh is saying 3 lakhs per annum. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else who is thinking that what is the average CTC? Like anyone else who can tell me that what is the average CTC that their college is providing? Saikiran, I'm asking for average CTC, not the highest CTC. Everyone tell me the average CTC, not the highest CTC. Praneshwaram is saying 5 LPA, okay, 4.5, 4 lakh, 4 lakh. Chetna again, I'm asking for average, not the highest. If this is the average, please let me know. Joseph is saying 4 LPA, 5 LPA, 2.5 LPA. Anup is saying, Aditya is saying 6 LPA, 4 lakhs, 3 to 4, 5, 3 to 4, 3 lakhs. No placement at all. Someone has written no placement at all. Okay, 7.55. BTech third year, I want to become a first. Okay, we will talk about that, Akshay. Don't be worried. Anuttama is saying 4 LPA. So this is the kind of placements you guys are getting. Now, are you guys happy with that? That is the question. Are you guys going to be happy with that? Are you guys really, really happy with whatever CTC you are getting from your college? No. Bhavesh is saying no. Sanjay is saying no. Now, let me tell you that what we can do for you. First of all, we will provide you a proper career assistance. Interview preparation after each and every module you will be getting 100% placement assistance until and unless you're getting the placement. Coding portfolio building, GitHub profile building, LinkedIn profile building, all these things we are going to do for you so that you can have the maximum visibility to the top tech IT companies. Also, your college is training you for 4 years. Okay, you are getting a placement of 3 to 4 lakhs. Okay, let's say 3 lakhs per annum. Okay, let's consider 3 lakhs per annum. This is the average CTC you guys are getting from the college. We are going to train you for 4 months. Plus, there will be 1 month of placement training. And we are going to give you a placement of average placement of 12 lakhs per annum. Okay, this is the average CTC that we can provide you. Guys, again, this is where your comfort zone is. As I was discussing, this is where your comfort zone is. You do not have to do anything. Your college will give you the placement anyways. But if you want to step out of that comfort zone, if you want to take the charge of your own career, if you want to, achieve something that you wanted to achieve, not what your college has given you, then you need to step up and you need to take the charge of your own career. You cannot just sit in your comfort zone and think that somehow you will get a placement. But if you can stand up for yourself, if you can take the charge of your own career in just this much amount of time, we will be able to ensure that you are able to get a placement like this. This is what we can do for you guys. If you are ready to achieve this, let me know in the question answer panel. Let me know in the question answer panel if you're ready to achieve 12 lakhs per annum or not. Everyone is saying yes, sir. Everyone is saying absolutely ready. Yes, sir. Yes, I can see Bhavesh is saying yes. Shubham, Chandni, Shivani, then Praneshwaram, Chirag. This is what we want to see from you guys. This is the kind of response that I want from my learners. And what are we charging for all these things? Usually, the total cost of this program with all the facilities that we have discussed is usually 44,000 rupees. But you will be able to get a flat 50% discount on that. How? I will let you know. Do not be worried. Kindly stay tuned. I will tell you how to get this discount. A flat 50% discount, your remaining amount is 22,000. All right. Now, for one time payment, it is 22,000. Now, if you will say, sir, can I get some installments? Of course, for 2 installment, it will be 24,000. For 3 installment, it is 26,000. So, these are the installment plans. Now, the question is that how can I get some more discount? So, first of all, you need to reserve your seat by paying a token fees of 1,000 rupees. The moment you do that, you will be able to get a flat 50% discount on the total cost. You will be able to get an additional self-paced program absolutely for free, and you will be able to reserve your seat and also get a special additional discount on the total cost. Confusing, hai? Everyone is confused that what is the fees. So let me summarize this one more time. Total cost was 44,000. You pay this token amount and you get a flat 50% discount. Your remaining amount is 22,000 rupees now. From here, we are going to deduct the 1,000 rupees of token amount, and your remaining amount will become 21,000 rupees only. On that also, you will be able to get the special additional discount, but that is for limited seats only. That is for limited seats only. Now I'm going to launch a poll, guys. I'm going to quickly launch a poll. I hope all of you guys remember that why the polls are so important. Everyone must participate in the poll. Now, I have launched a poll. Guys, if anyone is having any kind of doubts, any kind of question, if you want to talk to me, talk to my team, select the third option and our team is going to reach out to you as soon as possible. And the response I've got till now, 45% people have already voted. 42% of that are in the first three categories. Congratulations to all of you guys who have selected any of the first three categories. Congratulations to all of you guys, as you guys have successfully stepped out of your comfort zone. This is the most important part of your success. This is the very first step of your journey to become a successful full stack developer. You guys need to start stepping out of your comfort zone. When you start staying in your comfort zone, not achieve what you want to achieve. If you can take the charge of your own career, that is the only way you can do that. 67%